Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. I want to wish every one of you happy new year, and I'm praying that this year is going to be a prosperous one for everyone. So if you're one of those people that is looking for opportunity to learn Portuguese, this is another one. This university UFV opens application for online courses in foreign language. Now, one beautiful thing about this opportunity is because you are going to be learning Portuguese in English. Like I told you, that one of the challenges in some of the schools in Brazil is that although you are going to be enrolled in Portuguese class, but those classes are going to be taught in Portuguese. That is, you're going to be learning Portuguese in Portuguese, which can be very daunting. But this particular one is going to give you an opportunity to be taught in English. Let's take a look at some of the instruction. It says the Federal University of Vicosa, through its Office of the International Affairs, has opened the application period for its free online courses taught in foreign languages for the first semester of 2026. So you can just read some of the, you can just read the preamble here. Now, a total of 18 courses. So it's not even going to be Portuguese alone. That's still other courses that you can sign up for. So a total of 18 courses will be offered in areas such as biology, engineering, humanities, agriculture, etc. Now, who can apply? The program is open to, first, students currently enrolled in higher education institutions, maybe academic mobility in Brazil, or individuals who already hold an undergraduate or bachelor's degree, which is in this category known as degree holder. How do you apply? Application must be submitted exclusively via the online application form, which we're going to be seeing shortly. So for regular students, that is, if you're a student in this school in Vicosa and you wish to apply, you must consult your prospective graduate programs, and undergraduate students should consult their course coordinator for instruction. Now, what is the deadline? The deadline for application is going to be 27th of January, and approved students will receive a credentials. Like approved student will be they will get notification on the March 6th, and classes is going to be starting in the month of March, 9th of March to July 2026. So it's going to be from March, April, May, June, July. So it's going to be like for 5 months, and I'm hoping that it's going to be an intensive one. Now, there are some important things you should notice. Only documents in English or Spanish will be accepted. So if you are sending your document, your application document, make sure that either in English or in Spanish. Courses selection must relate to applicants' academic background. So make sure that you are selecting a course that relates to your academic background. The schedule for some courses will be arranged directly between professors and students. Now, like I said, this form, let's see how it looks like. So this is the form, and it says UFV, that is Universidade Federal Vicosa, online courses in foreign languages 2021. The form is intended for candidates interested in enrolling in online courses in foreign language offered by the university, by this school. The application deadline again is 27th, and class is going to start on the 9th of March. What are the requirements? We have seen all of that before. So these are to proceed with the application. The candidates must have all these documents listed below: copy of national identity, copy of birth or marriage certificate, nomination letter. Only for academic mobility. Okay, so only for, that is, if you are, let's say you're a scholarship student in Brazil already, you probably need a nomination letter from your advisor. Now, proof of current enrollment for academic mobility candidate again. So it does not necessary, it's not mandatory that you must have been enrolled in Brazil for you to apply. Now, number 5, copy of undergraduate or bachelor diploma if you have it, copy of your undergraduate transcript, copy of your master's diploma if you have it, copy of your master's academic transcript, copy of your doctoral diploma in case you want to do a postdoc. Copy of your doctoral academic transcript will be needed. Copy of CPF, and this is mandatory for Brazilian citizens, people that are already in Brazil. Look, it is optional for other nationalities. Copy of voter registration card for Brazilians only. Copy of military document, face photo, a photo that is like 3x4. So the reason why you are seeing some document required that is meant for Brazilians is because there are some other courses that are not language alone, because there are some other courses that are not just on language, so that you can apply. Now look, only document in English or Spanish will be accepted. I've said that again. I've said that earlier on, and I'm saying it again. Now, by completing and submitting this form, you agree to your enrollment at UFV for the 2026 first academic term. Should your application be approved, you also declare that you are aware of the didactic regime of the school. So this is the email. Once you click, then it will continue. Let's say we are using this. Let's just use it to simulate. So this is where you're going to write your name, your social name, your date of birth, your gender, your mother's name, your passport number, your nationality, your email, your cell phone, your home address, on and on. Then you're going to go to the next one. So by the time you are done, then you are going to click submit. Then you can wait for the shortlisting. Okay, and if you are selected, you're going to be starting on the 9th of March. I'm talking about learning Portuguese. Again, I'm wishing you best of luck in this application. Or if you are looking for where you can learn Portuguese or that is currently ongoing, you don't have to wait till March. There's a particular school that is currently ongoing. It's in conjunction with myself and another school. So we are offering Portuguese, but this one is not free. This particular one I'm making the video for is free, but there's another one that you can join right now. If you are interested, just comment Portuguese in the comment section. I'm going to send you the link. This one is not free. Again, you're going to be paying monthly, but then I can assure you that it is something that you're going to get value from. I am praying that this year is going to be a progressive one for you and for me. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Até mais. Ciao, ciao.